Okay, look like my green beans are coming up good in their new location here. And an additional green beans. They're sprouting up good. Okay, green beans. Look over here. My squash and zucchini coming up good. Big leaves coming up on it. And I got some more green beans and my yellow wax beans over there. And my cucumbers. They hadn't started going up that trellis yet. They soon will. And my sugar daddy beans. They slowly but surely look like they're gonna come up too. And look at my pineapples. Okay, pineapple. Come on. Continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Here in Big Mama's garden. Okay, cucumbers. Come on and climb on up. Okay, over here the tomato row looking good. Okay, tomatoes, I see all these little flowers blooming up on you. Come on, come on. Grow us some tomatoes. Cabbage bed over there, y'all still hanging in there. I see some heads forming. Some heads forming finally. Look right there, there go one. Okay, cabbage. Okay, the bell pepper bed. They trying to get growing over here. I feel like I gotta add some more seeds in here, or I may bring out some of my transplant bell peppers and put in this spot because none of the seeds that I planted here didn't germinate yet. Okay, bell peppers. Let's see, my tomato plant here has some blooms coming on out on it. The Creole tomato. I got the basil. More bell peppers. Here's my habanero pepper here. See some flowers blooming on this, so we should be soon. There's a little buzz there. Should be soon having some peppers coming from it. And my sweet banana peppers that I put in here. I see a few of them sprouting up. See some back there. There's my basil back there. Okay, peppers. Come on. Grow big for us. Okay, and my potato bag is sprouting up. Got some leaves sprouting up on it. I gotta get me one more. I want to put me one more potato bag together. Okay, potatoes. Continue to grow. Look at here. Eggplant trying to come on out. Okay, good. Okay, I have some more eggplants sprouting up here. I'll be able to transplant them out in the garden soon. Okay, eggplant. And look at some more of my bell peppers here. Okay, bell peppers. Another habanero pepper here. Come on, continue to get big. Now look at my carrots. Okay, I wanted to try to get y'all out last week, but I'm gonna get you outside soon. Look at those onions. Okay, onions.